Hi there, it's Leslie and welcome back to my channel. As you probably know, if you've watched it before, I've actually lost 21 pounds on Herbalife Nutrition and kept it off for 33 years. And I'm going to show you how you can too. So before we go on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the like and the notifications bell so that you can get regular updates as to how what I'm going to tell you now will be able to help you long term. So let's get into it. Here I am in my kitchen. As you know, most results to do with your body weight and your body looks and your fitness levels starts here in the kitchen. And that's why I brought you here. Now, I have a kitchen. This is totally dedicated to helping me and my family get healthy and well, look after our weight and maintain that weight level to within a couple of pounds. So I'm just going to show you now my daily routine so that you can get an idea of what can happen when you just make a few changes. So when I first got started on Herbalife Nutrition, I didn't believe it was going to work for me, but I did just follow the simple steps that were given to me, which was to take 2 shakes a day, have 1 healthy meal, eat whatever I like, and cut back. And over the years, I have discovered that by making a few more changes, it's been able to really help me and my family to maintain our weight to exactly where we want it to be. Anyway, you can too, and this is what I'm going to explain to you. So let's start with what most people come to me and ask me about, which is a weight loss program. Okay, now for me to lose weight, this is what I did. I incorporated Herbalife Nutrition Formula 1 healthy meal into 2 shakes a day or 2 meals a day. I replaced 2 meals a day with a Herbalife Nutrition shake. And there's many ways of doing it. It's not don't just think of it as just being a milkshake, because it's far from that. It's something that you can use and adapt to your taste and your lifestyle. If you're in a hurry or if you have time, it's up to you. So we help you as coaches. These products do not just come on their own without anyone to help you. Or shouldn't anyway. So if you haven't got a coach already, remember to send me a message. I've got my link in the bottom here. But you should have someone just to guide you through the first few steps of getting on your Herbalife Nutrition program. And then after that, it's simple. But we have a 21-day challenge program, which is great because it guides you step by step through your everyday use of the products. So, first part of getting started in a weight loss program is get hold of your coach, get hold of some Formula 1 healthy meal shake, and a couple of other things to help you along with your journey. I always recommend this product. It looks pretty much the same. It's called Protein Drink Mix, and this is instead of having to use milk. So every single day, I start my day with a healthy breakfast shake, which consists of protein drink mix in water with 2 spoons of my Herbalife Formula 1 healthy meal. So this takes the place of milk, and it's really great for many reasons. First of all, milk, cow's milk, was designed for baby cows, not for humans. So as humans, when we have too much milk, that kind of stuff that you get, dairy milk for cows, it may be okay to have a little dash in your coffee or tea. It may be okay for you to have it with your bowl of cereal. But if you're going to be drinking an entire glass full of that kind of milk twice a day with your shakes, you're going to find yourself feeling really a bit uncomfortable. In fact, about 40 to 50% of adults actually cannot tolerate milk. It gives them all kinds of uncomfortable side effects, let's say. Whereas this protein drink mix is a plant-based protein milk substitute, and you can put it with water, so it's easy to have anywhere, and it means that you don't have to go and buy costly these plant-based milks like Rice Stream, almond milk, hazelnut milk, coconut milk, all of those, you don't need to buy them. You can just use 1 spoonful of this in your water and make your shake up in that. So that's my quick and easy way of making a shake. It's actually quicker to make than to explain. But so 1 of these, 2 of those in a glass of water, about 250 ml roughly, just, a size of a glass. So this is the typical size glass that I use, nothing fancy, just a water type glass. And I make my shake up either in the NutriBullet, if I want it to be extra fluffy and add some ice and add some fruit, or I also have my hand whisk. It's one of these electrical gadgets with a whisk on the end, which is currently being washed, or just make it in a shaker. So a shaker is a really quick and easy way again to make your shake, if I could find one. Here we go, I'll show you a nice green one, nice Herbalife green shaker. So this is a great little thing to carry around with you everywhere you go. It's got a little compartment at the bottom so you can carry your shake in if you wish. And then over here, you take that out, put your water in there up to about a little bit more than halfway, and then add the powders that you may have already pre-packed in this if you're going out somewhere. So you take that off, pop it into the water, put your little shaker thing in there, close it off, make sure the top is nice and tight, and then shake it up. So that's another quick and easy way of making your shake. So I start my day every day with a breakfast shake. Just told you there's lots of easy ways of making it, so no excuses. The shake also comes in 10 amazing flavors. Ask your coach for the different flavors. This one here is Cookie Crunch. That's a really lovely flavor. Current favorite for most people is banana cream. And right now, oops, this has just been released. It's our first Formula 1 savory shake. This is mushroom and herb soup flavor. So I started doing that for my lunchtime. But most of the time, I have this kind of typical lunch that I've just kept here. My darling husband has made this for me. He makes our lunch every single day. It's a little bit like a crumble, I guess you would say, fruit crumble. So down at the bottom here, let's see what he's done. Ooh, homegrown grapes. Got some grapes that we harvested recently. Homegrown grapes, topped with a Cookie Crunch Formula 1 shake, and decorated with a banana and a little sprinkling of cinnamon. Made with love, I would say. Isn't he lovely? So here we are, we're getting our fruit in, we're getting our Formula 1 and protein drink mix on the top as if it was like a fruit crumble. And that's something that, I can sit down in a second and have that as my lunch. And that's a typical kind of lunch. Sometimes we'll have apples, pears, oranges, bananas, kiwi, whatever you fancy. Put them into a bowl, put the shake on top, stir it around, eat it how you like. Maybe a little dash of liquid, whatever it's food. So just make it like food. Use recipes and ideas that we supply in our group, but also try some of your own. Things that you have around the house, things that you like. Now, the other thing, before I forget, is this amazing magic tea. Now, we have this Thermogetics instant herbal beverage. It's great because it burns 80 to 100 calories. And, she reaches into her fridge. This is mango aloe. It's a delicious aloe vera drink. What we do is we use half a teaspoon of the original tea with about 2 or 3 capfuls of this in a mug with hot water, and you've got your metabolism and energy levels taken care of with this, and you've got your digestion and nutrient levels topped up with this. So all in one delicious, yummy drink. That was breakfast and lunch, hot drinks. We also have snacks I like to snack on these bars. This is the citrus lemon box of bars. There's 14 in a box. Very economical and always there for whenever you need it. I also enjoy my high protein iced coffee. Imagine having a coffee and getting extra dose of protein in there. I mean, 15 grams of protein with every cup of coffee, and no nasties. So that's really great. I also enjoy a lift off every now and again, maybe not every day, but when I need a refreshing lime lift off, these come in a very, very handy sachet that you can, 2 little tablets on a card here. You can keep them in your handbag, keep them in your gym bag, have them on your desk. Very handy, and it gives you exactly what it says, a lift off. Also with a huge amount of your daily vitamin C. So what's better than that? It gives you an extra shot to prevent all those nasty colds and bugs that are coming up in the winter time. So I could go on, but the point is I have my breakfast shake, my lunchtime shake, a couple of healthy snacks. I drink my drinks that I've just shown you, and then I'll eat a healthy meal, but without too much worry. If I do fancy having fish and chips, if I do fancy having a takeaway, there's nothing wrong with that, because I've prepared myself and fortified myself all throughout the day. And you can too. So this is a really useful way of incorporating into your day all the healthy aspects and feed yourself at the same time, and not have to think, oh, is this good for me? Should I be grabbing a biscuit? Oh, I fancy a piece of cake. I mean, all of those things don't actually matter when you've got something that's healthy that you can choose. And I happen to choose to have Herbalife Nutrition every single day, and I have done for the last 33 years. And guess what? I've not only lost that 21 pounds and that stubborn fat round the middle, 4 inches it was, gone forever, and I've kept it off, and I've had a happy, healthy life. And you can too, but make it just your day one. Don't beat yourself up if you can't imagine how you can do it long term. I certainly couldn't, but we're here to help you in the group. If you have a coach, talk to them about it. If you haven't got a coach, get in touch with me and I'll be more than happy to help you. So I hope that's helped get you in the frame of mind of what we do every single day with Herbalife Nutrition. You can just have half of it, you can just have a portion of it. Whatever suits you, we can work out something that's right for you, your budget, your body, and your health. So don't forget, I'll be here next time. But, get yourself started today. Why not? You've got nothing to lose. Or maybe you have. See you soon. Bye.